Wolfchester started originally in late 2006.
Our trade shop started when we moved to our current premises.
We have over 14,000 stocked items in our range.
We like to offer a personal experience. In our industry, in automotive industrial consumables, we like to be the one-stop shop.
A customer shouldn't have to go anywhere else. Our pure focus is workshop consumables and anything that is consumed within a workshop on a day-to-day basis, whether it's hardware, whether it's cleaning and chemicals, lubrication.
It's all well and good that you can buy things online, but there are certain people that want it now. Having it delivered tomorrow may not be enough, so they come into the trade shop to get it there and then.
Wolfchester stands apart because we offer a personable service. I know what we do really, really well is making it super easy for any customer, any workshop, any dealership.
The people within our company are industry experts, and you get that when you walk into a trade shop.
We're forever expanding our range, making sure that we're ahead of the game in terms of making sure that we've got the latest additives, the latest cleaners and chemicals and lubricants, the latest hardware. There are items that workshops simply cannot go without if they're providing a really great service to their customers and their clients.
You think you might not be able to get, we have a bunch of items that people go, I don't know where I can get that from. The products that we supply are OEM specific. All the manufacturers use them.
Come and give Wolfchester a go. I can assure you, you'll enjoy the experience we're going to offer you, you're going to enjoy our products, and we're going to make your life a lot easier.